Igbo ndị na-ege ntị ekenekwa m unu biko asị m ka mebe atụgharị ya okwu na ihe mere. Enwe video post about 2 days ago so nkwulu okwu maka na Igbo people na celebrating ihe mere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In that video asị m not allegedly that I am not sure. Now for the video na akọwa no ihe mere. This is damn when for that video this is actually my first time of seeing it. Man, it's so hard na some people na aghọtasị ihe. Amarom na mmasụ Igbo na mmasụ lu na Igbo asụgo m Igbo okwero some people aghọta nso Igbo wuru problem. Oburu problem. Then kabakwa na arụ na video ka ịghọta ihe a na-ekwu. Ijo si no nene nke dị gị mma iro na abịa comment ya. Asị na that video bụkwa na video bụ allegedly na mmadụ rosho ebe ome na mmadụ rosho mgbe ome mana ajizi m ya wee mee gịnị wee pass ya message. Because do. Is it difficult to understand? It's not difficult to understand now. Can I make one here corner the long open easy? In Aborum Bobona Nachonya drag Nachonya Balam Banachonya Bali no. What is what doing is what doing well. So this video Nafana Kebabu video this man Amaromonyo just that I came across that video so West Koki can cook Nambo. Does it mean that a lot of Ndibai na angoli ihe mere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? People like Ijele and Ndigbo here. But I have never seen them advocate for the arrest of Sheikh Onyu Gumi. Yamafodom Kahamego Ajirona a clamor for the arrest of Sheikh Gumi Sikboleya. That man is a bandit and a terrorist and that should be behind bars and should face public execution. Somebody like Sheikh Gumi is not supposed to be in our midst today, staying in our midst. Somebody like Sheikh Gumi is not anywhere supposed to be seen in Nigeria, especially even when he has somebody in his son is in the top military of the country. Obono obodo ndị ọcha or na China or na Japan, Sheikh Gumi lineage could have been wiped away. Open on China because only some part of China and Japan, I don't know the two of these two countries now practice the law. Ejidegi for corruption. I which are being no one because now there is na need the corrupt we can hear so gina as up tired to corrupt. So in order to seal off that corruption from the wiping it from the face of the earth, so see which are being no gepata. That is why any mother 10 naira lolo or 10 naira lolo or muyolo. If we a government work, a government practitioner, a panel of judges, those people are a panel of committee, now. If we will bask na kana street, that does not mean that to live a luxurious life ada go. Manalis ha for umuha. Kada one mistake ha megali which up is no ha. Man a terrorist like Gumi na bagali in our midst today and somebody somewhere. Don't celebrate him Mazi na second obono ya Buhari no ka fugo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na Ndigbo ka fugo maka 3 years ago. Just imagine ihe onye Igbo na-ekwu on live video, then imagine ihe ya na-ekwu behind the scene. Imagine ha na-ekwu behind the scene. Mgbe saka kisi jele interview no interview ko podcast ko live stream kata ife no matter biafra. So those people, I don't blame them because I watched the interview of Obi Kubana. Then I begin to understand why some of these people now avoiding some sensitive talk. Also that the sister equal interview Obi Kubana, I will still go and look for the full video. When we tell you, and when they have enjoyed with another full video is that I needed to clarify something. I need to make for more video about it so that I will not have to present my talk. But I go because as long as I don't have to bring you a half-baked truth or half-baked video. Also that the system has been designed to trap on Igbo. And how do you say the trap? They will use it against you. So in order to be on a safer side, they cannot come out publicly. How one influence, where power, where go, where connection, where things that government can use to render them useless in one snap of a finger. So most time they will not just come together. Just no those things are with her, but their hands are tied. Or for the nurse, or kind of one, but when it comes to you and your family and what you have built, there are some issues and they use again sensitivity. You have to be careful. Obulu Nigeria bụ ebe onye ọbụla ekwu uche ya ikwu uche gị mana ikwugodo uche gị mana iteguru na court anyị afụkwa na ikpe amara gị, still they will use it to oppress you. And still ndị na-achọkwana ka ịzọpụta, some of them don't even care whether you live or you die. Achọrọ ya ma all they care about is that na gịnị na ikwugo na aka jump from platform to platform na-akpọ ihe ikwuru maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ị nara ekwu maka ndị Igbo nke anụnwa ikwuzie maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu maka ndị, we never see their comment there. You will never see it. You were expecting to see their comment, now we're done, you could tell them, thank you for this one, encourage you, man, you might fear idea. You might not see it. Those are the type of people, each one at their platform. And we're going to I've checked all of them. 9.9% of them don't share Biafra, don't share Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they don't even love him. Man, had your mail profile picture. Well, is there an app in them mother in comment section? Manage their page, they don't share anything that has to do with Biafra, they don't share how to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they can't even post I love you Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Biafra, all those type of things, they don't even talk about it. So see how you happen only how you use that as a scapegoat. So the end of this video, gonna fin here nwanne for the one.
Yes. Good evening my friends, good evening my fans, good evening everyone. Yeah, this Amama International, and I had to talk soon. Igbo people, Igbos, all those ones that Nnamdi Kanu have brainwashed. Now go back, now I go kill all of them. Yes, all those useless Igbo people, when be say Nnamdi Kanu don't brainwash. Una run to my comment section. Come begin to insult una papa. Come begin to insult una mama. I don't know say Igbo people are so useless. Yes. I don't know say Igbo people, majority of them, they are so useless. When Nnamdi Kanu, they say bomb police station, kill the soldiers, kill the policeman. Una not hear that. I be he talk and hide. Then when they run to my comment section, they talk anyhow. Now go back and I go kill all of them. Anyone that commented on my TikTok, they insult their papa. Una know say our papa who they work. Una know say our papa who they not the use and play. Now our papa who now I go kill all of them. Una no fear. Una run to my comment section. Go they insult una papa, insult una mama. Because I thought say Nnamdi Kanu don't kill a lot of people for Southeast. The video we watched the other time, Igbo girl, we just married soldier. The Nnamdi Kanu boys, useless people, they carry knife, they take slash in pussy. They take slash and pussy. Make una see how useless Igbo people is. I don't know say Igbo people really useless. No Benin man fit brainwash Benin people like that. That is why Benin is a respected place in the whole of Nigeria. Yes. No man in the Benin kingdom go fit brainwash Benin people like that. Just as Nnamdi Kanu brainwash almost 85% of the Igbos. Then they begin to kill themselves. They begin to sentence themselves to prison, to jail. They begin to hide, go to kill everybody. Nnamdi Kanu, he go down for prison. I blame Buhari. I blame Buhari. To God, if I were to be Buhari, believe me, Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo people for don't forget that. Yes. If I were to be Buhari, Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo people for don't forget that for the past 3 years. When they take cash out, when they don't job. Nigeria na Zoom. Nigeria na this. Now you don't do Zoom for 3 years. Una where they support to Nnamdi Kanu, una don't know where Abuja dey. What do not do do? Nothing. Now to the rant. They insult people who insult Nnamdi Kanu. Una don't know where Nnamdi Kanu dey. Make una go release am. Nnamdi Kanu will die in prison. Now me talk am. Mama International. Yes. Jagaban no go do the mistake where Buhari do. Make una wash out. Before Jagaban tenure go end, now go see so Nnamdi Kanu don't buy. Yes. Nnamdi Kanu. For the way he take kill the Igbo people, Nnamdi Kanu will not spend the next 5 years in prison. You know who spend that? See, they rant, they even they insult the lawyer. Say, don't talk when I'm talking, that useless small boy. When they do Baba for prison. Baba for prison. I live in London. Baba for prison. He brainwash 85% of the Igbo people. Made them will baptize all of them. When they support Nnamdi Kanu, all of them go back. The same way Nnamdi Kanu go back for prison. Okay? That's one of my short message this night from my mama and Mama International. Make una rush to my comment section. Useless people. I want to